In an Elementor form, maybe you have a long list of countries or something similar within a select field and you wonder, how do I make it possible for people to search within this long list of items? With SuperGloo, let's make that happen. First off, come into Gloo, then toggle on Form Extensions. Next, click on Settings. Now you can toggle on Select2 Fields. Then come into the Elementor editor, and now let's add a new field. This time we're going to call it a select field. And we can come into Advanced and take advantage of the Select2 by toggling this on right here. Next, come back into Content and paste in a list of countries because I had that copied. And now we can give this a name, call it Countries. Then we can hit Update and come to the front end and see what happens. Let's refresh. And there is our Select2 field. We can search for Australia, and there it is. There's something to note. If you come back into Elementor editor and click on Style, you can see a new accordion block here called Select2. And you have a list of things you can style. Let's just try to style one of them. Let's change the background color to white. Let's change the text color to black. And now let's hit Update. Come into the front end. Let's refresh it. And now this is how it looks. That was the Select2 field within Elementor Forms. Combined with our front-end post submission function, you can search thousands of queried posts and not look through them one after the other. You can do lots of amazing things, most of which have been covered on the tutorial section of gloo.oo. Be sure to subscribe and we'll be back again in no time.